Borosil Renewable shares staged a sharp rebound today to be locked in the 5% upper circuit after seeing a 3-day losing streak on the bourses that saw the stock price drop 10%. This decline was primarily attributed to heavy selling following the company's weak guidance, where the net loss widened significantly due to rising input costs, weak operational performance, along with pricing pressure. Shares of TVS Supply Chain Solutions gained approximately 8% today, with this surge driven by data revealing that TVS Motors' block deal purchase of about 20 lakh shares. This is an in-group transaction which involves companies within the TVS group, which provides end-to-end logistics and supply chain solutions. It also sparked investor confidence in the stock. Max Healthcare shares saw a gain of over 3% today, marking the third consecutive session of gains. This upward trend was fueled by an upgrade from international brokerage UBS, which revised its rating from neutral to buy and increased the target price to about 1,200 rupees per share, which indicates an upside potential of about 18% on the firm's stock. Gillette India shares surged over 16% as investors reacted positively to the company's strong Q3 earnings. The company's net profit increased by 21% year-on-year to about 126 crore, while revenue grew 7.2% to 686 crore for the quarter. The growth was primarily driven by an 11% increase in sales within the grooming segment, which compensated for a decline in the oral care business. Persistent Systems shares rallied 4%, snapping a 6-day losing streak after international brokerage JP Morgan issued an overweight call on the company, with a price target indicating a 39% potential upside from the recent closing price. This rebound followed a week where the stock lost over 7%. Shares of RateGain Travel Technologies stumbled about 3% in trade today after the company lowered its revenue guidance for the second time in FY25. With the losses in today's session, the stock also extended its losing streak to the 8th consecutive session. PHEL Engineering share price sank about 3% in trade today, despite the company, along with its JV partner, being declared the lowest bidder for a 1,090 crore rupees project involving the construction of a pipeline distribution network with a 36-month completion period. Welspun Enterprises shares dropped approximately 7%, touching a 16-week low, extending a 7-session fall. This decline followed the company's mixed earnings performance for the third quarter ended December, where a 23% increase in net sales was countered by a slight marginal decrease in net profit, despite a 22% increase in total income. Zen Technology shares continued to experience strong selling pressure, tanking about 10% in today's session and losing 33% over the past 3 sessions after reporting a sharp sequential decline in Q3 earnings. This decline was attributed to delays in booking of certain contracts, which then dampened investor sentiment in the stock and led to concerns about growth visibility, order inflows, and acquisition plans. PSU Bharat Heavy Electrical shares tanked about 5% after Ducon Tech initiated arbitration against the firm for a claim of about Rs 30 crore and other related interests. The state-owned firm has now appointed an arbitrator and is defending its claim and standing.